All right, scholars, you did a great job with comparing our numbers using our greater than, less than, and equal to symbol. Now it's time to get started in our lesson. So this week we've been introducing place value and talking about our tens and ones place. I want to review again what that means when we're looking at those place values before we get started. So when we're talking about our place value, we have the number 35, and we've been using two-digit numbers, which means there's two numbers. We have a 3 and a 5, so it's a two-digit number. And each of these numbers is in a different place value. So our number all the way over here to your right, this is our ones place. So this tells us how many are extras by themselves that equal to 1. Then when we get over here, when we jump next door to its neighbor, this is called our tens place. So this tells us how many groups of 10 we have. So we have 3 groups of 10. So when we have 3 groups of 10, that's 30 plus our 5 more ones is 35. Because we don't just say that this is 3, 5. That wouldn't make sense. So we have this as a tens place. This 3 really represents 30 or 3 tens. So I want you to keep that in mind, that this number over here all the way in the front is our ones place, so it tells us how many little ones we have left over. And next door, its neighbor, is our tens place, so it tells us how many groups of 10 there are. So we're going to go over a couple examples, and then you'll have time to do some on your own. So I hope you're ready to get started. So we have our chart here with all of these numbers, 21, 79, 46, 32, 15, 63, and 97. And again, these are two-digit numbers because there's two numbers in each one. And we've been talking about tens and ones. So normally we have you draw and represent them, but we're just simply writing the number. So for example, our number 21, we need to figure out which of these is our tens and which of these numbers is our ones. So who remembers which is which? So how many tens is there 21? Good. Our 2 is for our tens. The 2 stands for 20 or 2 groups of 10. And how many ones are left over? Right, this is our ones place. And we have 1 1 left over. So 2 tens and 1 1 makes 21. All right, next we have the number 79. So first we need to figure out how many tens makes 79. Good. The 7 is in our tens place. So we have 7 tens or 7 groups of 10. And how many ones are left over? Right, we have 9. We have 9 in our ones place. So 9 ones. So 7 tens or 7 groups of 10s and 9 ones make 79. All right, let's do one more together. And then the rest you're doing on your own. So we have the number 46. So again, we're doing our tens place first. So what number's in our tens place? Right, the 4 is in our tens place. So we have 4 tens or 4 groups of 10 to make 40. And what number's in our ones place? Right, we have the 6. The 6 all the way here is in our ones place. So we have 6 ones or 6 extra ones. So 4 tens or 4 groups of 10 and 6 ones make 46. Great job. I hope you remember that because for these last numbers, 32, 15, 63, and 97, you're going to do that on your own and then send me your answers. Can't wait to see what you come up with.